Hey everyone, today we're going to visualize some social media analytics using Python and Matplotlib. Let's start by tracking follower growth. We'll start things by importing Matplotlib pyplot as a PLT. This is the standard plot. This is the standard tool in plotting in Python. So let's start with type import matplotlib dot py plot space as plt. So since na-type na natin import matplotlib dot py plot as a plt, we define some simple data. Let's make a 5 weeks of data, and let's make a 5 weeks of data showing an exponential growth in followers. So type weeks is equal to bracket 100 1 2 3 4 5. And then the followers is equal to bracket 100 150 300 600 1000. So to visualize this, we use plt.plot and passing our x-axis, then y-axis we label the axis. So the graph is readable and call plt.show generate window. So plt.plot plt.plot weeks and followers. Then type plt.title quotation mark single followers and growth. Followers growth. And then single quotation mark, then close parenthesis, and then plt dot y label followers. Type plt that show close and open and close parentheses. And then yun, inside the plot function I'm adding some style. No, I'll use Dodger blue, set a solid line style, and use circle marks to highlight the data points. So I'm also bumping up the line width to 2. So plt plot open parenthesis weeks followers color and equals to quotation marks Dodger blue quotation marks line style is equal to quotation marks and marker is equal to quotation marks line width equal to 2. So plt dot title type viral growth trajectory trajectory and then quotation marks close parenthesis. So type plt ulit dot xlabel quotation marks type total followers and then quotation mark and close parenthesis and then type ulit ng plt dot grid no mali tayo. Sa X label natin ay ilalagay pala natin ay week number. And then plt dot y label naman. And then type total followers. So type plt again grid if true. So type plt that show open and close parentheses. So I'm also adding a plt that grid through open and through close parentheses. For growth charts, grids are essential so you can quickly see exactly when you hit those milestones. And then next, let's compare engagement rates across different apps since these are categories will use a bar chart. So let's start with type platforms is equal to bracket platforms is equal to bracket quotation marks TikTok, then Instagram. So I forgot the quotation marks. And YouTube and Twitter. And then close bracket. So type engagement rate. Engagement underscore rate is equal to bracket 8.5, 4.2, 3.0, and the last is 1.5. Then close bracket. So we subplot for bar, close and open parentheses. I'm coloring these bars black for a sleek look. So this visualization will instantly show us that TikTok is currently driving the most engagement. So type PLT again, dot bar platforms engagement rate, and then color I black. PLT dot title engagement rate, engagement rate, by platforms. And then the percentage symbol. And then PLT X label, type platform, and then the Y label, plot that Y label is engagement percentage. And then show, PLT at show, close and open parentheses. So now, is shorter content is better? So let's check the relationship between video length and likes using a scatter plot. So I'll use NumPy to generate some random video lengths and likes. So, import. Mag-import tayo ng numpy. Type import numpy as np. Gawin natin siyang np. And then type video underscore length is equal to np dot random run. Is 50. And then 60 seconds. And then the likes is type likes is equal to np dot random dot run 50 ulit, then 5,000. So yun. We use the SPLT scatter, open and close parentheses. I'm setting the colors to purple and the alpha to 0.5. The alpha makes the dots semi-transparent, which help us see clusters where many data points overlap. So type plt dot scatter video then likes color is equal to purple naman. Purple. Quotation marks pa pala. And then alpha is equal to 0.5. So the PLT title is quotation marks video length versus likes. Video versus likes. And then the X label, PLT X label, duration or seconds. Quotation marks, don't forget that. Duration seconds. And then yun. And then the Y label naman. And then type likes. So show plt dot show close and open parentheses. So finally, let's put together a monthly report. So content types. And then is equal to reels Reels, bracket, reels, post, and then stories, and then the last is lives. And then and then reach is equal to 5,000, 50,000. And then 20,000. 15,000, and then the last is 8,000. And then the days, type days. Monday, Wednesday, and then the last is hindi pa pala, Friday, and then the last is Sunday. And then new subscriber, type new underscore sub is equal to 50, 120, 200, and then 150. So we have here a data for reach by content type, a new subscriber, and by day. So first, a bar chart for reach. I'm using Paint here. This clearly show which format reels, posts, or stories is getting the most eyeballs. And then type PLT bar, type content, content types, rich color pink quotation mark, and then type PLT title. Rich by content type. Type rich by content type. And then the X label is PLT dot X label is type, and the Y label is accounts rich, and then show PLT dot show open and close parentheses, and finally a line plot for subscriber trends, and I'll be using teal with square markers. This help us track which days of the week perform best for converting viewers into subscribers. So type PLT ulit that plot days new sub color is teal. Is teal. And then markers equal to S, and then PLT dot title, type new subscribers this week. New subscribers this week. And then the X label, PLT dot X label. Then type day, and then the Y label type count, and then type PLT dot show. Close and open parentheses, and then run natin. Then try natin siya i-run. Ayun. And then check engagement rate, video length and versus likes, reach by content type, new subscribers this week. And there you have it. And a full social media analytics suite built with Python. Thanks for watching.